I recently took a trip to Goa in this monsoon to view the amazing beauty of Goa during rain. And no, when I say the beauty, I do not mean seeing its beaches, but literally exploring our beautiful Goa beyond beaches. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I remember last year when I released this video and got a few comments from Goans that how I need to visit Goa during monsoons. I had made up my mind that for sure I'm coming back to Goa, but to explore its waterfalls. तो जैसे आप देख सकते हो मैं कांदुलिम में रुकी हूँ। यहाँ पे रहने का एक बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक रीज़न था बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रीनरी। ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ हम लोग हैं यहाँ पे और कोई भी नहीं है। अभी तक यहाँ पे कोई टूरिस्ट नहीं है। एंड फॉर एग्जैक्टली दिस रीजन द पास्ट 2 weeks हैव बीन क्रेजी, सॉ सो मच। बट ड्यूरिंग आवर लास्ट वीक व्हेन यामारे मैसेज्ड अस दैट हे वुड यू लाइक टू जॉइन अस फॉर अ ट्रैक, यू नो आई जस्ट कुड नॉट से नो। So people, we have rented a scooty, 300 रुपये per day है यहाँ पे charges, which is so cheap. अभी लियो आ रहा है पीछे, by the way, लियो is a Goan. And after renting the scooty, off we were to explore one last thing in Goa. Yes, ये मेरा last experience है गोवा में. I am very sad, but this is one of the most exclusive experiences in Goa क्योंकि हम एक बहुत ही ऑफबीट जगह जाने वाले हैं। ऐसी जगह जिसकी लोकेशन मैं डिस्क्लोज भी नहीं कर सकती। तो अगर आपको आज का एक्सपीरियंस खुद एक्सपीरियंस करना है तो मैं नीचे लिंक्स दे रही हूँ उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के जो हमें लेके जा रहे हैं। इट इज़ एन एक्सक्लूसिव वाटरफॉल जहाँ पे टूरिस्ट नहीं जाते। तो सुबह के 7 बज रहे हैं, हमने अपनी स्कूटी निकाल ली और अभी हम जा रहे हैं अब टीम से मिलने जो हमें इस वाटरफॉल को एक्सपीरियंस करवाएंगे। लेट्स को मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि ये कितना ब्यूटीफुल रहता है ये पूरा जर्नी। So we just took a pit stop over here. Goan breakfast किया था जो मैं हाईली रिकमेंड करूँगी। क्या ब्रेकफास्ट था। अब हम आगे जा रहे हैं, 15 मिनट दूर है जहाँ से हमारा हाइक स्टार्ट होगा। What's the name of this?
In local they call it armi.
Armi.
They don't plug it out directly. Like they take the branch of any small plant. Mushroom should be left behind, to grow for next time.
And after having a very good breakfast, we decided to drive together to the starting point of the trek. And as soon as we reached the village, the entire vibe became so beautiful and peaceful. So people, we have reached the starting point of the trek and I want to tell you something which I've been meaning to talk about since a very long time. To all the women travelers and men who care about hygiene, especially menstrual hygiene, I have an update for you guys. मैंने बहुत ही recently अभी sanitary pads से menstrual cup में switch किया है and this feeling is very liberating. I can now run around freely, ride a bike in the monsoons or even take a dip in the pool without making a mess or worrying about my pad getting wet. So usually pads बहुत ज़्यादा waste generate करते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा chemicals होते हैं. So this switch is phenomenal and with this I want to talk about Carmesy, which is made with 100% biocompatible medical grade silicone. It is extremely soft and gentle and doesn't cause any irritation. So मुझे initially switch करने में बहुत डर लग रहा था because this is something very new for me, but I don't even feel that I have inserted something. It is so soft and flexible, plus it comes in 3 different sizes. I also believe that Carmesy is a long-term investment because it can last up to 10 years and cost only 550 rupees for 1 cup. There is an amazing August sale going on where you can get products up to 40% off, and if you use my code Radhika08 you can get extra 10% off on their website as well as on Amazon. Links are in the description. I will highly urge you guys to give this product a go. अगर आपकी sensitive skin है और if you have a heavy flow, Carmesy has got you covered. अब मैं जाती हूँ ट्रैक करने जिसके लिए मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. Hello! वेदर इन गोवा चेंजेस सो ड्रास्टिकली. कब धूप थी और कब बारिश आ गई पता ही नहीं चला. ट्रैक स्टार्ट करें और बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई है. जैसे आप देख सकते हो हम एक अननेम्ड वाटरफॉल में जा रहे हैं और ये बहुत ही एक्सक्लूसिव एक्सपीरियंस है. टूरिस्ट नहीं आ सकते. यू कैन ओनली कम विद द लोकल्स. So you can find pythons, king cobra, vipers over here, which are all deadly snakes. You might be knowing better.
Venomous.
Huh?
Python is not venomous, but still.
Okay. So we are trying to watch our movement. हमें बोला गया है कि अगर आपको कोई आवाज़ आएगी पेड़ों के बीच में तो just be safe.
You should always be aware of such corners and all. There's mostly those vipers.
We were carefully watching our every step, but the entire surrounding, the forest walk, the trek was so amazing.
Mushrooms, no, Arnie, they grow this inside of this anthills. Yeah, this is now the small anthill now. They should be really big enough.
Okay.
Then and to get those mushrooms, no, they have to go very deep inside the forest.
Okay.
They are not easily found.
So we are given this life jacket. I am not very confident with swimming, even though I know basic swimming. मैंने advanced scuba diving भी करी है, but not risking it. ये लेके we are going there and swimming. So that was it from this beautiful unnamed waterfall. अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस उसी स्पॉट पे जहाँ पे हमने ब्रेकफास्ट किया था. वहाँ लंच करेंगे. बट ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग था. अगर आपको ये वाटरफॉल एंजॉय करना है जहाँ पे कोई टूरिस्ट नहीं आ सकते, यू कैन contact Yamare. They are the local tour operators over here. You can contact them and they will take you here. क्योंकि आपको इस जगह पे आने के लिए locals के साथ ही आना पड़ेगा. आप खुद से नहीं आ सकते. Again, after hiking through the forest, we drove back to the same spot where we had breakfast. It's not, it's a video. She's posing.
This is rose.
Rose?
Yeah.
Rose?
This made from this coconut. See, this is the takio.
Okay. This one, you made this out of that.
It grows during monsoon only.
Okay.
You should eat it. Also, it has anti-cancer properties.
So people, this was my experience from the no-named waterfall. Again, अगर आपको इस जगह जाना है तो contacts are given in the description. You can tag along with them. उन्होंने हमसे specifically रिक्वेस्ट करी थी कि इस लोकेशन के बारे में हम डिस्क्लोज ना करें. सो आई एम बाउंड टू डू दैट एंड रिस्पेक्ट देयर विशेस. बट अगेन यू कैन have so much authentic experience, go on food, such a cultural walk and go to that waterfall. Baki, you guys know what you need to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe for the algorithm. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.